In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish slides to the web. If you've built a slide deck and want people to view it without needing editing access or special software, publishing to the web is a fast, reliable way to share. You'll end up with either a simple link you can send to anyone or a snippet of code you can place on a website so the slides appear right on the page. Start by opening your slide deck and going to the File menu. From there, choose Share, then select Publish to Web. This opens a panel where you'll decide how your presentation will be shared. You're essentially creating a view-only version that's optimized for web playback. You'll see two main choices, link or embed. Pick link if you want a straightforward URL you can drop into an email, a message, or a social post. When someone clicks it, they'll see a clean, web-friendly version of your slides. Choose embed if you plan to display the slideshow inside a web page, a blog post, or a learning portal. That option generates HTML code you can paste into a website editor that supports custom HTML. Before you publish, adjust the playback options so the experience matches your needs. If you want the slides to move on their own, set the auto advance timing. You can choose short intervals for quick overviews or longer ones to let viewers read denser content. If you prefer to keep control manual, simply leave auto advance off. You can also decide whether the slideshow should start as soon as the player loads. Turning this on is great for landing pages or display screens where you want motion right away. Turning it off gives viewers a moment to get oriented before they press play. When your choices feel right, click Publish and Confirm. This step creates the publicly accessible version of your presentation. Keep in mind that publishing to the web is intended for broad viewing, so only publish content you're comfortable sharing. Once it's published, you'll get either a link or an embed code, depending on what you chose. Copy it and share immediately. For links, test in a private or incognito window to make sure everything displays as expected. For embed code, paste it into your site's HTML area, then preview the page to confirm sizing and playback behavior. If something looks off, you can return to the Publish to Web panel, tweak the options, and update. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, your slides are ready for seamless viewing on the web.